guys, welcome back to my channel and welcome to another Mommy Monday video. I am pre-filming this video pretty dang far in advance. I plan on posting this after my baby is already born. But as of today, I'm 32 weeks pregnant with my second baby, baby number 2 for me, my second boy. I have a 2-year-old right now, and I wanted to show you guys what I got in my little goodie bags from my registries. This is my second baby, second boy. So I created a registry for myself, really. I didn't have a baby shower. I wasn't expecting gifts from people, but I made it more as a checklist for myself, and I made one at Bye Bye Baby and one at Target. And if you didn't know, when you make a registry at both of those places, you actually get a free, completely free little goodie bag filled with baby supplies. These are heavy, these are stuffed, they're filled with really good stuff. This was pretty hard to get my hands on this time around. I guess they're in short supply, high demand, I don't know, but every single time I went to the Target customer service desk, that's where you get it. So after you create your registry, you go to like any Target in-store, their little customer service area, and you say, hey, I have my registry here, can I get my goodie bag? And they like scan a barcode and all that stuff. So I did that like several times, and it took me a few months to actually track one down because they just didn't have any. So we're gonna start with this. I'm gonna open this up and show you all the goodies that I got inside of it, and then we'll hop into Bye Bye Baby. Same thing, I just went to the customer service desk in store, Bye Bye Baby, and they gave this to me. So yeah, first thing, it comes in this little reusable tote bag, which is kind of nice. It's always nice to have reusable tote bags. So the first thing, and I actually did get this right away, so if you have the Target Circle app, once you create your registry, you can download like a coupon booklet, and it adds a whole bunch of coupons to your Target Circle. So this is just telling you how to do that. I've actually already used almost all my coupons, so they're really good ones too. It's like $5 off a Similac purchase, $5 off of diapers and stuff like that. Next thing in here, it looks like a bag of chips, but it's not. It's a Phillips Advent Anti-Colic bottle. These are actually the bottles, so not the Anti-Colic ones, but the regular ones are the bottles we used with my first baby. So those are the bottles we have prepared and ready for my second baby. I just bought all new nipples for them. The Anti-Colic ones have a slightly different nipple, so you can't like interchange them, which it kind of stinks. So I will definitely keep this as a backup, but I'm hoping that baby number 2 likes the regular Advent bottles. That way I don't have to buy a whole bunch of new bottles. Looks like you get another bottle in here. So you get one of the Dr. Brown's bottles. These are super popular. People love these Dr. Brown's bottles. I had a couple of them with my first. He didn't love them, but he didn't hate them. He just preferred the Advent ones. So that's kind of the ones that we stuck with, but it is nice that they give you 2 options in here. Next up, it looks like something for mom. Yes, this is the Lancino breastfeeding supply kit. It's just like a little teeny sample size. You get a couple of breast pads and a couple of breast milk storage bags. I am hoping to successfully breastfeed this time around. Fingers crossed. I am doing everything that I possibly can to make sure I am set up for success, and in that situation I will definitely be using stuff like that. There's still so much in here, you guys. These are such good goodie bags. Okay, so next thing in here is a little diaper sample from the brand Millie Moon. I've never heard of Millie Moon. These are luxury diapers. Luxury diapers. We get our diapers from Costco. So the term luxury diaper is just like, whoa to me. All right, let's open these up. Oh, they're very soft. They feel like cloth almost, but they're disposable. These are cute. These are size 1, 6 to 11 pounds. And is this a coupon? No, no coupon. But it does say they're only available at Target. I have never heard of this Millie Moon brand before, but we're definitely gonna use these. These look like really nice diapers. Another diaper sample in here from Huggies. Sometimes we do get the Huggies diapers from Costco as well, so we'll like rotate between Huggies and Kirkland brand. And then they don't sell newborn diapers in store at Costco, so we end up buying newborn Pampers swaddlers. But we have tried Huggies before, so these aren't like a brand new concept to me. These are size 1 as well. Looks like these ones go up to 14 pounds, where the Millie ones only went up to 11 pounds. These are cute. They have little rainbows on them. This comes with 3 diapers. The other one came with 2 diapers. Is this a coupon? No. Why aren't they giving us coupons? That's what I really want, is coupons. There's a couple of wipe samples in here. So there's a sample of water wipes. These are really nice wipes. They're super like wet, which is nice if you have like a sticky, especially in the early days of newborn, like the sticky meconium poop. These work really well for them. So it's nice to have a little, but they're expensive, so it's nice to have a little bit on hand. The Honest wipes are just okay. They're not very wet, they work. So these little sample sized wipes are really nice for your diaper bag. Okay, last but not least, we have a few little foil packet samples. So we have some Aquaphor. I do enjoy Aquaphor. It's really sticky and really messy though, but it does work really well. This one is for mom. This is the Palmer's Stretch Mark lotion. I have a full-size bottle of this that I'm currently using. I use it at nighttime, so I put oil on in the day and then I use this at nighttime, or I layer them sometimes. So this is a nice little sample to have. This is a coupon and a foil sample packet all in one. It's a Boogie Wipe. We did have some of these with my first. I didn't really use them. I just used a wet wipe when I needed to wipe his nose, like a baby wipe. But you know, they're kind of fun to have. Dreft. I love Dreft. I know people have their thoughts about Dreft. I like it. I like the smell of it. The newborn stage smells just like a baby. It has like that powdery, like baby smell to it, and I absolutely love it. So these are nice to travel with, these little foil packets. It's a one-time use, so if you are traveling or give it to grandma or something, if she wants to do laundry for you over at her house, it's just nice to have. I did end up using one of these at one point when I traveled right around 9 months with my first. We used a little foil packet. And then the last thing is Desitin. It's just like a little one-time use. Desitin is my diaper rash cream of choice. My first, it worked well for him. The thing is with second babies, you just never know. You never know if they're gonna be allergic to things or if it's gonna work the same. So, but that's nice to have. Okay, so that was a great goodie bag. 2 diaper samples, 2 wipe samples, 2 bottle samples. I mean, that's a lot of good stuff. So Bye Bye Baby, the bag is just as packed. First thing in here is a Pampers diaper sample. So we got Huggies, we got a luxury diaper brand, and then we got Pampers. So these are these size 1 as well? Oh, this one does have coupons inside. I don't know, I think it's nice when they include coupons. Okay, so this came with, oh, $2 off of Dreft. So that's nice, $1 off of wipes, $1.50 off, or is that wipes? Yeah, wipes, $1.50 off of diapers. Nice, okay, well, they gave us 3 coupons, which is good. Talks about Pampers Club. Oh, they give you a sample of Dreft too. So I have 2 of those now, which is good. A little wipe sample. So these are the Pampers wipes. These are good wipes. They're similar to the water wipes, not quite as wet as the water wipes. And then they gave us 1 diaper. Just 1. Is this a newborn size? It is. Oh, it's so cute and so little. I wonder, let me compare. So yeah, it looks like the Millie diapers are newborn. I know they said size 1, but comparing like size-wise, they're maybe a little bit wider, but oh, newborn diapers are so cute. I do like the Pampers Swaddlers. Like I said, those are our diaper of choice for newborn. Okay, next thing in here is a bottle from the brand Nook. We've never used Nook branded bottles before. So this is nice because we have 3 different bottles. If for some reason baby number 2 hates the regular Advent bottles, which please don't hate them, because I went and bought new nipples in every single size. They're not that expensive, but it adds up, it sure does, so please do. But if for some reason he doesn't, then we have 3 other bottles for him to try. So we have the Nook, and then the 2 from the Target bag. There is a, what is this? What brand is this? Oh, Noodle and Boo. You know what? I've actually heard a lot about Noodle and Boo. We prefer Tubby Todd, which isn't sold at Bye Bye Baby or Target, but I've heard a lot about Noodle and Boo too. So there's a little lotion, like a baby lotion in there. There's also a newborn 2-in-1 hair wash, and then skin elasticity. Oh, this is for mom. These are cute little samples. If you wanted to just try the brand, that's cute. There's a pacifier in this bag. There wasn't a pacifier in the Target bag, which shocked me because I feel like last time I got a Target gift bag, there was. These are the Man pacifiers. We did try these with my first and he wasn't a fan. He liked the Advent. I guess we're a fan of Advent. Not the Soothies, but the soft touch ones. So those are the ones that I have prepared for baby number 2. But if for some reason he doesn't like them, then, you know, it'll be nice to have a little backup. These are so tiny. Yeah, newborn size, so cute. You forget how little all newborn stuff is. So the next thing in here, looks like this is the last thing, and then there's a bunch of like coupons and stuff. So this is by the brand Mistela. I love that it comes in a little bag. And this is their no rinse cleansing water. Is this for baby or is this for mom? Yeah, it's for baby. Interesting. I've never heard of using a cleansing water for baby, but I guess this would be really good like before you can give them a bath while you're waiting for their umbilical cord nub to fall off. This would be good to have. Okay, so as far as like paper things go, there actually is one of those little baby on board like things you put in your window on your car. Truly, I don't know why people do this. Like, I don't drive any more or less careful around a car that has a baby on board sticker on it than I do around cars that don't. So I think those are just kind of silly. Here's more Noodle and Boo. These are more like little foil packet samples. We have a single water wipe sample, more of the Boogie Wipes. Here's a Gripe Water sample. Okay. I don't think I've ever gotten one of those before with a coupon attached to it. You know, we never used Gripe Water with my first. We had it and we never used it, so I didn't even buy any to like prepare for baby number 2. But we did get gas drops, so there's that. This is Dr. Brown's Vitamin Cream, multi-purpose fragrance-free vitamin cream. I don't know what that is. Okay, so there's that. And then this is a coupon for Burt's Bees formula. Interesting. And then, oh, this is that Dr. Brown's was attached to this, it looks like. So there's a diaper cream, a lotion, and then the vitamin cream, and then this is just tells you about your registry. So that is it. That is what is in the Target bag and the Bye Bye Baby bag. They're both really good bags. I do think Target won, if I had to like compare and battle them. I do think Target's bag was slightly better, just had more, but they're both really good. So yeah, if you have a baby registry for any reason, whether it's just for you or for baby shower purposes, make sure you see if you get a free gift with purchase and definitely get that because it's worth it. So that is that for this video. I hope that you guys enjoyed and I will talk to you next time. Bye.